What's up, people? It's your boy DC2 period Vic Vic. It's my Instagram. Make sure you follow that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm about to let you guys know what's going on. I got a lot of updates. I recently just bought the carbon fiber spoon lip for it. Just bought that actually today. So hopefully that'll be in soon. And also I just got tires. So apparently the R888s, they're officially discontinuing them. So I'm gonna end up getting some Nitos. I think like NT01s or something like that. I'm not sure, but it should be coming in soon. And my motor is officially done. He's got all of it sealed off, which I'm gonna end up posting pictures on my Instagram if you want to check those out. And what else? Shoot. Dang, so much stuff. But, and the course report, which I'm gonna show you in the next video. Well, it's gonna be in this video, my bad. So, it's gonna be welded soon, which probably today. I'm gonna post a lot of pictures of it as well on my Instagram. And the damage that was there and that you will see in this video was caused by my brother. So we were going up to what's the thing is called Stilley, Alabama. We're about to go to the drag strip. So my other brother, who's in front of me with a BMW, he's, you know, we're driving, we're at a stoplight, and then I'm behind him, and then my other brother with the red JDM tire is behind me. So we at a stoplight, and this woman or dude, whatever it was, she had to go light, and she didn't even go. So my brother in front of me pressed the brakes. So my dumb self, I was thinking I was just gonna tap him slowly and just, you know, leave a few scratches, nothing serious. But my bro was behind me with the red Integra, ended up being closer than I thought, so he hit me from behind, which made me go into the BMW, my other BMW, my brother's BMW, which I got sandwiched in, messed up my front end, which I'm probably going to end up showing you guys later in another video. And it messed up my trunk, which I'm probably going to show y'all that too, but later on in another video. That's got a big old dent. So long story short, it was a whole bro smash, crash, and dash. So it was just, man, bad day. My brother went back home, but we still went to the drag strip, so it was all cool. Back at it again. So we got here the frame for the front. Should be ready to roll. My friend's gonna come pick it up. And the only reason this thing is even needed is because at one point this thing had a small wreck, just slightly bent, and I'm trying to get this thing as perfect as possible. You can't really see, but it's kind of folded right there. That's gonna be switched up. Hopefully this core support will do the trick. And here it's the whole engine bay. Good look of it for right now. Hopefully all this is stripped down soon. But my good friend's gonna hook a brother up. He's gonna weld it sometime soon, picking it up today. But as you can tell here, it's kind of bent up. Right here at the bottom is where you can really tell where it's kind of folded. Funny story is that he hit my car. That one over there. He hit that thing. Yeah, it was a bad day. But it's all good. This thing will be ready soon. The painter was supposed to show up today, but I guess he's not. But hopefully we can get this thing on the road sometime soon, hopefully by the end of March. And we making moves out here, guys. We making moves. Check that thing out. But hopefully I'll be able to post better pictures and more videos for you guys. So I hope you like it. Appreciate you guys following me up and following me on Instagram, DC2.Big Vic. And I would appreciate if you guys subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good day.